then the other opportunity is to sell products from Malaysia to the world. Okay, so here's what I need your help again on the Google. So you just go to google.com. So I want you to see this as in understand that the possibility is there. Okay, can you help me to search under Etsy, E-T-S-Y? E-T-S-Y? Malaysia, there. Okay, let's click on the first one. Yeah. Okay, Etsy Malaysia is where you can put products in Etsy website. It's a very famous large website. It's like a Lazada in the concept, right? But the difference is that it costs you absolutely nothing. Maybe they have changed right now. So you can put products there. But here's something interesting. Can you help me to scroll a bit lower until you see the chili? Okay, stop. Okay, all right, thank you. So you see, people are selling coins. Let me say this, if you understand the value here. People are selling coins for 32 ringgit and 78 cents. Give me old coins, I go and sell. And people are paying 32 ringgit and 78 cents. Now, have sold at least to 342 people who have buy coins. Let me say this really slow. People have buy coins that is much less value for 32 ringgit. It's quite crazy. The coins may worth 5 ringgit and beyond. Now, there are people who buy chilies. You just imagine, you go to pasar, you buy dry chili, you put it together one packet plastic, you put inside there and say, hey, I got chili for sale. Now, obviously, for 21 ringgit and 24 cents, I don't think any Malaysians go there and buy. Because if they want to buy chili, they go Tesco. They're not going to go here to buy chili. These are people from overseas who want Malaysia chili. People are spending that money. Can we just scroll a bit lower? Further? Okay, a bit further. Okay, thanks. This will do. Beads. You know, just to put for decorative. For 12 ringgit and 9 cents, this has sold 68,000 units of bracelets. Let's do some maths. It's about 700,000 ringgit selling beads. Some adult in their life never even made that amount of money in their life. But someone here have made their money by selling beads. You understand what I mean? Okay. Apparently beads sell really well. Can you help me to scroll a bit somehow to find more beads? Go down. Okay. Go up again and see if we have other beads or not. Okay, alright, yep. Okay. Yep, here are more beads. These beads sell for 77 ringgit and have sold 139 units. You see, beads sell really well. It seems like they realize, hey, you know what? People like to buy beads in Etsy Malaysia. So let's go and put beads and sell there. And people makes a lot of money. Now, I want you to think about this, right? I share with you an opportunity, I share with you an idea. Let's say you do it and you make zero. You don't make a single cent. What do you have to lose? The only thing that you lose is time. But time is towards your advantage right now. You have ample of time. You have ample of time to try to do things that can go wrong, and that's totally okay. I don't have much time. I'm 40 right now. I'm almost 40. So my time is very limited. And most of my time I use for my family. And when I do business, I'm very selective because I don't have your time anymore. Right? Now, but if it did work out well, you could have made your additional stream of income